channel. My name is Angel. So if this is your first time tuning into my channel, go ahead and make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super glam pink makeup look. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I am super excited to be doing this video. I feel like I've been doing so many neutral and so many natural makeup looks on and off YouTube. I'm just ready to get into some color, honey, because this month is Pride Month. And I'm just ready to jump into something and do something different, y'all. Like, I'm so over the whole neutral thing. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. And this is what it looks like, you guys. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at all of these beautiful, fun colors in this palette. So, I'm going to be creating a pink makeup look. So, the first shade I'm going to go into is this pastel pink right here, and it's called Electric. So basically I just packed that shadow on my lid, and now I'm just pretty much blending it out. So going back into that same palette, and of course we're just going to be using one eyeshadow palette. I'm going into the next shade, which is this hot pink color right here. And it's called Drippy. I'm just going to pack this shade on a Morphe R39 brush. So now I'm just picking up a little bit more of the shade Electric, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the two shades. So next I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. Then to set that concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use some of my Airspun loose face powder. And then going back in with Drippy, which was that hot pink shade we used, I'm just going to blend that on my outer corner area. So the next shade I'm taking is this shade right here. I'm laughing, y'all, because I'm trying to film and my sister, they like doing the complete most, y'all. So anyways, I'm taking this shade right here, and it's like a pretty iridescent kind of shade. It's called Spirit. Before being under these lights that I'm under now, like my lighting, I thought that this was only going to look good with like a blue makeup look, some blue eyeshadow. But now looking at under my studio lights, you guys, it looks like it's really going to look pretty with this pink makeup look. So now I'm super excited, because first I was like, I don't know how it's going to turn out, but it's looking real purplish, pinkish, iridescent-ish over here. So now I'm just going to flip this brush on its back side. And by the way, guys, I'm using Morphe 167 brush. And it's basically like the perfect eyeshadow shader brush. So the next shade I'm going to go into is Solistic. I think that's how you say it. It's like this pretty copperish, pinkish, iridescent kind of shade. And I'm actually going to place this shade in between the hot pink on the outside and the iridescent shade in the middle. So if I have to be quite honest with myself, I did not intend for this makeup to look this intense, but this shit is beautiful, y'all. Like, it's so beautiful. So I want the focus to be completely on the eyeshadow, so I'm not going to be doing any wing liner or anything to distract the eyeshadow because I really want it to pop and to stand out. So I am going to go ahead and use some wing liner, some eyeliner though. And I think I'm gonna just go ahead and place this along my lash line. And my face is already primed. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Y'all, I have been catching hell trying to find the perfect shade for me now that I have a tan, y'all. So it's gotten so crazy. Like, I'm like, I don't even know what shade I am anymore. Like, it's crazy. Like, I don't even know what's been going on. And I was literally about to do a video asking you guys 355 or 356, but I just felt like I'm already dark, naturally dark around my mouth area, and I felt like the 356 was making my mouth area, around my mouth area, look super dark. And honey, it was not good look. But every time I use 355, I really like it because I really like that it has a lot of like yellow and orangish reddish undertones in it, because those are my tones. That's your girl. See, this 355 is already looking better. I'm taking that 356 back to the store, honey. I'm just taking a little bit more of that foundation and really just placing it wherever I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. And then for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. And then I'm using my Shop Miss A sponge, which is the sponge I have been in love with, y'all. To set everything, I'm going to be using my black Radiance loose setting powder. Y'all, I am so nervous because this Saturday I will be doing my first bridal, should I consider it a shower or just my first bridal makeup. So I'm super excited, but I'm super nervous because I'm also worried about making sure that I use the right products and everything like that, the right colors. Like, I'm just so nervous, y'all, but I'm so excited because I think in my last video, and if you guys follow me on Facebook, you guys will have seen the video that I made, basically just talking about my testimony and talking about just how God has been so good to me. And I think that I'm finally starting my career and following my purpose in life and what I'm supposed to be doing in life. And I've held out so long, you guys, on actually wanting to, where's my brush, actually doing freelance makeup, being a makeup artist. It's crazy. Like, I've wanted to do it for so long. And I never thought that I would be doing other women's makeup. I really enjoy teaching it, which is why I do YouTube and creating tutorials and things like that for you guys. But I never thought in a million years I would be doing makeup. But here we go, another journey. I was super excited when I first started doing YouTube. So I'm super excited about doing her makeup for her wedding. It's scary because you want to make sure you get everything right. You don't want the pictures to turn out bad. You want everybody to be popping. I'm gonna have to get up super early. I'm gonna have to pack all of this shit, all of this makeup, y'all. It's gonna be crazy, but I know it's gonna be worth it. I'm taking my camera, make sure I get some good pictures and things like that, so I can definitely advertise my work and advertise what I do on my social media. I think I'll do like a chit chat video talking more about it. I'm not sure yet, but I'll do something talking more in depth about what I have going on. So for powder, I'm using the Kat Von D powder foundation and Deep 71. And then to bring some definition back into my face, I'm going to be using the Morphe Glamabronze bronzer. I love this bronzer, you guys. blush. Oh, that's so cool. I got the same powder and blush brush. That's so dope. And then for blush, I'm going to be using this Anastasia blush trio, and this one is in Pink Passion. And I'm just going to mix all of them together. Like, it don't even matter. You guys, when I finish filming this video, guess where I'm going? I'm going to Walmart. Like, who goes to Walmart like with a full face of makeup and some eyeshadow on fleek? Like, where they do that at? I don't even know. I'm going back into my palette, and I'm just pretty much gonna reciprocate whatever's on top on bottom. I think that's what I want to do. Well, I'm gonna take this hot pink shade first. Y'all, I'm all over the place. And I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line with this hot pink on the outer corners. And then I'm going to take some of that lighter pink, the first shade that I used, and just use that towards the inner corner of the eye. And then I'm going to take that shimmery shade, Spirit, and I'm going to place this right at the inner corner. That's really pretty. And this is just a short shader brush pretty much. So now I'm going to go ahead and spritz my face before I apply my highlighter. I feel like I want to apply some more blush, but I better not. I better play it safe. Because y'all know I get blush crazy. So I'm actually using two different highlighters. This is Wet n Wild Awesome Blossom, and this one is more like a natural everyday highlighter. But I'm using this one because I'm also, here's my brush, I'm also going to be mixing it with some pink highlighter to go along with the pink makeup look. So I'm just putting this down first. Then I'm taking the Maybelline, if I can get it open, Master Chrome highlighter, and this one is in Molten Rose Gold. And I'm just taking that and placing it right on top because I don't like my highlighter to be like super unnatural looking. So I kind of mix them together so it matches with my skin tone just a little bit more. That's why I put the first shade down. I'm going to take my beauty blender and kind of blend that out. And I'm just going to take my liner and fill in my mole. If I have to be quite honest, I'm not the best at applying highlighter. At least that's how I feel. Let me know if I'm wrong. I don't know. And then for lips, I'm going to be using this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place lip liner in the shade Currant. I hope I like this. I really do. Because I really want the focus to be on the eyes. So I applied some of the Urban Decay Comfort Matte in Backtalk. So I have three different lip gloss options because y'all know we putting gloss on that thing. So I have a Lorac gloss, a Bare Minerals gloss, and just a clear gloss. I think I'm going to go ahead and just go with the clear gloss. This is literally a 99-cent clear lip gloss from the beauty supply store. And these are like the shiniest lip glosses in life. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to help blend, if I can get it open, to blend out my false lashes with my real lashes. And I'm also going to apply some to my bottom lash line. So that is pretty much it for this makeup look. I was really inspired to do some more color here on my channel. I thought that you guys really liked the slime green makeup look that I did here on my channel a few weeks ago. So go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed me creating this pink makeup look. So I know that you guys will like seeing some color here on my channel. So that is pretty much it. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. And remember to follow your dreams and be blessed. And I will see you guys in my next video.